Now what the hell cuz car doing on the front of the lawn? Man, cuz when you see this, I'ma kick your mouth. Man, you need to let me buy this junk too. Shit nice. I need me a little truck. But look, man, the house look nice on a summery day. Feel me? Gotta shut these doors though. I got that heat on. I don't want my bill to be crazy. It's a lot getting done right now. That plumbing getting fixed. God. What up, though? Huh? What's up with it, my boy? Cuz, what up? Put me back together. Sturdying me up.
You don't need this?
You might cut this so you can put it for that.
No, we're not using damaged material.
Cuz, you going camera?
Huh?
You going to camera?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cuz. Yeah, cuz. Yeah, getting it sturdy in here.
Yeah.
They hated on the shine. We put it back together, though. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, that's good.
Fire. My fault.
Hey, give me the gun.
Putting out new plumbing in. This ain't worth them stealing, right, cuz?
No.
Yeah, this ain't worth them stealing.
Bro. So right here,
Uh-huh.
this is the sink.
Right, the drain.
Yep. Coming over here. Here.
Uh-huh.
That's that.
Oh, I was figuring where that went.
Yeah.
The T.
Look in the bathroom.
That's
So
the
this
toilet
guy-
stack.
Yep. So this guy can cut here, about here. Put a new wire in.
And run it over there.
Inch and a half. I'm gonna get rid of this. We're gonna do all this new
Okay.
and go up, and then we're gonna plug it.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, they hated on us, man. I was figuring, I wonder where that came from. Like, why would they break that, though?
So let me show you else what I did.
I don't understand.
3/4 inch line.
Mm-hmm.
Running in here. I'm gonna connect it into here.
Okay.
Go into the cold water. Then the hot. I'm gonna run off all through the house.
Okay.
And then
Bet.
this one here. Hey, take
You
this.
said 90.
Put this in here too. Don't let all this. Remember I told you about the hammer?
Man, get with cuz for all plumbing needs, you heard? Official, license, all that.
Come here. Start here. That's too hot. So come here. So truthfully, you can hit it like this. Look. Take that off. I told you to do it the other way, but don't. Just go ahead and do it this way. Now wait, when you turn the water on,
Yeah.
boom.
There's gonna be way more pressure now, huh?
Yeah.
Very good.
It's a positive and every negative, man. Get more water pressure now.
Oh, you know what? Hold up. Stop right there. Stop right there. Do me a favor. Clip this here.
Oh, you're gonna tee it off.
Take this whole line off. You just made me think of that.
Think of what? The,
Water pressure.
oh.
Right here. We do it here. That way it can drop back. Do it about right here. I'll take the line out of there.
Take this out.
Just snatch it. Yep. We'll use it to go somewhere else. Alright, now grab that 3/4 inch line.
Red.
Yep.
Mmm.
Now go Go over the blue. Now you know what? Go under the blue. Go under the blue. Go under. Under here. All right, hold on. Where's the reducers? Put that in here.
This mad foreign. That's that tool you was telling me about.
Oh, this one of them.
That hammer in it?
How much that tool cost, guys?
This one is 40.
You said 140?
Mm-hmm.
Worth every bit of it.
Yep. Push that 3/4 inch line down into me. Into me. Hold it. Alright. Now, start from here. Listen. Look. Start from here. Start by the joint. Remember, I always start by the joint. And then give me every 3-4 feet. Nah, that's the way it's supposed to be.
I gotta see get the city out here this week.
What they coming to do?
Put that water meter. Remember, the meter ain't over there.
Right. Let me cut it. Cut it. Might be back in there.
Officially all new plumbing. I'm gonna go check upstairs real quick. Check that drywall out. Cause sturdy in this shop, man. Hating ass niggas did that. We gonna get back sturdy. Ain't about Nathan. That's the bathroom. Where he was talking about that Y thing, he talking about right there. In the toilet, it was connected. Now it ain't. Kitchen back still sturdy. Cuz gave me the player price too, man. Ain't charged me much at all. Don't worry about it, I was just showing you. I had to make sure my car's still out there the way they stealing shit over there. Word. We already done seen the bathroom. The bathrooms, rather. We need to see this attic. Attica. See how far they got. Okay. Okay. They ain't messing around. They know what they doing for sure. And if you ain't come over here and do the work, don't comment. Shut up. Everybody's got something to say. I should have pulled up and did the work. Word. Yeah, this should be done probably tomorrow. Getting home. Maybe Tuesday. Today's Sunday. Maybe Tuesday. It should be done. Tomorrow I'm gonna start getting these windows changed out, like that bum ass window. I want to do the floors and just cover them up for real. That'll make, I could get more than one thing done at a time. Yeah. Got my vanity switches. My vanity light. I got that black shower fixture. It just came in the mail today, so tomorrow we're gonna change it. I gotta get the city to come out and do the main joint for me, but yeah, it's looking good over here. If y'all haven't been following, basically somebody broke into my crib that I'm flipping right now and stole the plumbing, the copper, which is not really even worth nothing, but you can go sell it at the scrapyard and get a couple dollars. So, if y'all haven't been watching, that's basically what we're going through right now, just replacing that, which it's okay, because that means somebody that buy the house is getting even more fresh copper, and I'm fine with that. They broke in through this window right here, to be exact, too. So I got that boarded up from the outside, and I got the little door over it too, so it's gonna be a little deterrent to get in here. Tomorrow should be everybody here. It's gonna be plumbing getting done, drywall, plumbing, drywall, paint outside, and windows getting done. I got like 4 crews over here. Could save a lot of money by doing stuff myself, but we ain't. It's not what we in the business for. We in the business to flip more. If I do everything myself, I can't flip more houses. You feel me? Hell yeah. Sturdy. Cause this is kind of like a puzzle, huh? Nah, easier than a puzzle?
Residential, yeah. You just gotta try to find a way to make it look clean and
Yeah.
decent.
All right.
Don't fight.
Oh, nigga, I thought you were trying to push it. You ain't right by your foot. Sure, you by your foot.
And there's more packs if needed upstairs too, cuz.
Yeah, I grabbed a couple pieces.
Okay.
I don't like the rolls.
Oh, okay.
So that's here. So we can go here. Actually, I'm gonna go here. Yeah, I'm gonna go like this. Boom. 90 over here, in there. And then go out there. I'm gonna put a T. I'm gonna run the hot down there into that there. Bang. Bitch.
Yeah. Tomorrow Memorial Day, I'm on the grill, so I'm about to get out of here. I gotta go season that food. Feel me? Mr. Chef, cuz you heard? Yeah.
Where's it gonna be at?
The crib.
Mama house?
Mine.
Oh,
I seen you the Addy.